Okay, today we're gonna solve more complex, rational, more like funky quadratic equation. It's like complexier and rationalier. I made that word up, but okay. So once again, I'm not gonna write a topic because you know my marker. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get new ones in the weekend. Okay, but I'm gonna write the title on the title of the video. Okay, so all these questions I just think over my head, like right now. So if anything happens, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's go. So the first one, x squared. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 problems. Okay. So x squared. The last video we made about how to solve it. Now we're gonna bucket it off and nugget it off. Knuckle it off. I'm sorry. I don't know what I said. Okay. Plus 2x. 2x squared plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. Now, let's plug in the formula. It's x equal to negative b, which is minus 2. So here's a, here's b, and here's c. Negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared. See with the parentheses. So we're making sure everything's right. Minus 4 a was 2, c which is 6, all over 2a. So you can tell the bottom is going to be 4. The top is going to be 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Right? Yes, it is 48. Like this. This you get 44. Yeah, 44. I do not know why it took me so long, but it's technically minus 44. Technically minus 44. Okay, then over 4. Now this right here, you can reduce it. So let's do it right here. This is equal to the square root of negative 4 times 11, right? Because negative 4 times 11 is minus 44 right here. So we get, let's do this. This will be better, okay? So you break it, you get square root of 4, which is 2, times the root of minus 11, which is 2i root 11. That's it. So the final answer will be negative 2 over 4, which is minus 1/2, like this, plus or minus, oh my god, why is it so ugly? Plus or minus the, right here, which is 2i root 11. Once again, you can reduce this, so you get this. 2i root 11, like this. Because it'd be 4, then 1. That's it. So here's our final answer for this problem. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, if you guys wanna check it, you can plug it in yourself. But since I'm about to run out of battery, I'm gonna check the comment. But yeah, that's the first one. Pretty simple. I'm gonna keep it simple. Now, we're gonna take a thing up a notch. Let's make it irrational. Coefficient. Like this. here we go. This look pretty complex, but don't you worry, it'll be okay. It's gonna get spicy. So x is equal to minus b, minus equal positive. So here is a, here is b, and here is c. So it'd be 1/6 like this, plus or minus the square root of minus 1/6 square minus 4a, which is 3, c, which is 3/2, like so, and you square it. Oh, my bad, I don't know why I said and you square it. So, and 2 times 3, right here. Okay, so this you get, so if you kind of see down here, I can move it right here. Okay, 1/6 plus or minus the square root of, oh my god, I gotta handle this thing right here. Okay, this square, you get positive 1/36, okay, th. Then you minus this, reduce to 2, so you get 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 times 3 is 18, like this. Okay, let's do this on the side. Minus 36 like this. So you got to multiply by this 36 too. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it, guys. Let's see. 8 times 6 is 48. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 4 be 10. Put a 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Then you get 3 times 1, which is 3. Why am I thinking over this easy stuff? Then 3 plus 2 be 5. Let's add this together. So you get 8 plus 0, which is 8. 0 plus 4 will be 5. Just kidding. 4. Then 6. And yes, you get this very huge number. And I'm sorry for doing this, but let me divide it again so I can make sure that this is equal to 18. Okay? You guys should do it too when you're dealing with really big number. So what 36 can get 264? 18. That's it. Yes, but like, yeah, I think so. I think it's 18. Okay, now, oh, big difference. This would be just be negative 6, 4, nah, and that's it. Very simple. Wait. One minus that. Oh, negative 647. Oh my god. Very big mistake right there by me. Sorry. Okay, then you took the square root of it. Negative. I like that. It's gonna be tough. So the bottom, you know, is gonna be 6. And the top, you see a 7. So probably you can't reduce it. So it's gonna be I and 647. It's very nice. Okay, so all of this, read this. Okay, so you get so you would get this equal to 1/6 plus or minus I root 647 over 6. Over 6, all of this over 6, which means just multiply by 1/6. So let's multiply everything by 1/6. Distribute this and distribute that. You get 1/36 plus or minus I root 647 over 36. There we go. Boom! Very nicely. Now, the beast come. The last freaking equation. We're gonna introduce logarithm. There we go. Yes, I know. It's very bad. But let's just do it anyway, shall we? Come on. Okay, I might use a lot of space, so I'm gonna write right here. Hope you guys see it. X equal to -4 minus B. So this is A, B, and C. So minus this will be positive 2, 7. You plus or minus the root of -2 over 7 squared minus 4a, which is 4/3, c, which is ln3. ln3. Okay, close. Then over to it, which is 2 times. You see, we cannot reduce anything here. Just make it even more complex. Okay. Let's see here. This you get. Oh my God, I gotta do every single step super carefully. If I make one mistake, I want to get it wrong. Let's see here. -2, 7. It's going to be positive. This is 4. 7 squared is 49. Then you minus, subtract. 4 times 4 is 16. Over 3, like so, times ln3. And remember, this cannot cancel, okay? This and this 3 cannot cancel. It's ln of 3. But that kind of thing. Okay, subtracting this is going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Let's get the common denominator right away. Sure. So as you guys can see, I just thinking all this problem on top of my head. So this multiply together. So you get the common denominator will be 9 which is 27. 2, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, which is 14. Okay. 4 times 3, that's 12. Subtract this and this. 16 times 49. I'm gonna do it on the side. I'm gonna do it quickly. Seven, 8, 4. 7, 8, 4, ln3. Like this. Okay. So this right here, then the square root over it. So you probably cannot reduce this, of course. And if you calculate right here, this will be 8/3. Just being multiplied by, so you get 2, 7, plus or minus the square root of, you subtract this, you probably cannot subtract this because this is a multiple, minus 784 ln of 3 and over 147. Divided by 8/3 just means multiply by 3/8. Let's distribute all this. Okay, if you distribute this can cancel to a 4. So we 3 on top like this, over 7 times 4, which is 28. Very nice. Then you plus or minus the, so 3/8 like this. Then multiply by the square root. Yay. 12 minus 784 times ln 3. Why my 4 looking so ugly? ln 3 and over 147. That's it.